10वी व 12वीचा काही दिवसांपूर्वी निकाल जाहीर झाला। यामध्ये बदलापुरातील पोद्दार ब्रायो इंटरनॅशनल शाळेतील विद्यार्थ्यांनी अव्वल गुण पटकाविले। नेहमीप्रमाणे याही वर्षी शाळेचा निकाल 100% लागला। पोद्दार ब्रायो इंटरनॅशनल शाळेतून यावेळेस 10वीची परीक्षा 164 विद्यार्थ्यांनी दिली। यामधून 99 विद्यार्थी डिस्टिंक्शन मिळवून उत्तीर्ण झाले, तर 41 विद्यार्थी फर्स्ट क्लासने उत्तीर्ण झाले व 24 विद्यार्थी हे सेकंड क्लासने उत्तीर्ण झाले। विशेष म्हणजे इंग्रजी, हिंदी, विज्ञान, आयटी व सोशल सायन्स यामध्ये अनेक विद्यार्थ्यांना 100 पैकी 99, 98, 97, 95 असे गुण मिळाले आहे। या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापिका रश्मी सिंग यांनी विशेष कौतुक केले आहे।
I am Mrs. Rashmi Singh, Principal Poddar Brayo International School. I am very proud to share the results of our students who have appeared for grade 10th and grade 12th examinations for CBSE. These children have really made us proud. Their performances have gone beyond our expectation. The year when they had entered in the school, they had a marginal performance of 50%, 60%, 70%, and today majority of them are in the 90% bracket. I would like to give this credit to our Senior Director, Shri A.K. Singh sir, who has sowed the seed of hard work, consistency, perseverance and dedication. These children were made to realize that knowing the subject and knowing the kind of assessment that they will be undertaking is the foremost connection between learning and evaluation. He had guided the teachers to ensure that they include the board style questions in each of their lessons so that children know the objective of learning the chapter. They could relate the learning objectives with the assessment objectives. So I am very proud to say that our teachers have been successful in inculcating the sense of the connection between the learning and application. Our children have attempted at least 8 to 10 years of board papers right in their preparatory periods. They were well versed with the kind of questions that's going to be framed in the chapters, and that is how they were very confident, because it was the moment when the preparation of the students met with the opportunity of appearing for the board exams. So I am very confident that the students under our care, they slowly will turn all their failures to success. All the past experiences they must have had from the previous schools, they will surely be brightened, enlightened, and they will know the correct direction of putting their efforts. They will know the timely completion of their work, their content, their preparation, and of course they will all wait for the opportunity to appear and show their performances. I am very proud to share that my grade 10 students have made me very, very proud again to have me given the 100% result on the row right from the year 2018. And my grade 12 students, where majority of the students have scored beyond 90%. My topper student has scored 98.6%, which I'm sure he would be holding some records in the state. And I'm very, very happy that we would continue this practice forever till the school exists, and all our students will be the confident performers in the board and they would be doing well for themselves. Thank you very much.
तसेच विद्यार्थ्यांनीही शिक्षकांचे मनापासून आभार मानले आहे।
Greetings, my name is Yoganesh Chaudhary and I am from Poddar Brayo International School, Badlapur. My program was HSC Commerce and I have secured a respectable 89.83% in my HSC board exams, and I was also the student of the year for the year 23-24 in PBIS Badlapur. These 2 years have gone very well. They have aged like fine wine. And I guess I wish I could relive these 2 years, but I have no regrets of taking part in this school and for dedicating my 2 years for it. I thank my school for giving me opportunities to speak in front of the camera and in front of the public. 2 years ago, I wouldn't think that, I guess I wouldn't have been able to speak a single word in front of a camera, and now I guess I can speak quite well. To my juniors, my advice would be to be consistent. If you study for 1 or 2 hours a day at least, you will have more than 500 hours of study or 500 hours worth of studying for the whole year, and you will not even realize it. You won't have that pressure, and you will do very well in your future. I wish you all the best, and I am grateful for all the teachers and all the staff.
This is a moment of honor in my life. I, Sanjana Ghule, have highly privileged to stand out on the banner with 96.2% as Poddar Brayo International School topper. It was not yesterday planned and fulfilled today. A lot of dedication, hard work and determination has happened for so many months by the school, so that I come here and stand at this place today. It's behind my success, it's my school, all my teachers, their hard work and motivation and trust on me. I think they were always ready for clearing my doubts even after the school time. I think it's Poddar Brayo's exam preparation techniques like the prelims and revision test which have helped me to improve on my mistakes, and they are really very encouraging for me. I think their support and love they showered on me has really have roots on them. I am very thankful for them, and thank you.
Myself, Shraddha Behra, and I secured 96.2% in Class 10 CBSE board exams. I am truly grateful to my teachers for their efforts they have made in the whole academic journey. As I am back to the next chapter of my academic journey, I would carry with me the values, the memories that PBIS has instilled in me, from taking the extra classes after school to clearing my each and every doubt. PBIS has left no stone unturned. PBIS has organized GSS for us, which was very helpful for us. We had practiced our previous year questions, and it truly made a difference. I would like to thank my director sir, my teachers, and principal ma'am. She came to teach us in the class. That was very, she really helped us, and I would like to thank all the staff members also. So, yeah, I will truly, forever I am grateful for them, for their efforts they made for us.
Myself, Parthavar, and I have secured 95% with rank 3 in my school. I would like to thank my school faculties to build up my base, and their study programs have helped me a lot. And the things I noticed in the school was that teachers were very friendly and helpful. They helped me, and even the principal and directors used to come to teach us in their free time, and it helped me a lot.
My name is Aditya Patel, and I secured 2nd rank in my school with 95.2%. I am very proud, and all this that I have achieved is because of the hard work of my parents, my teachers, my principal, HM ma'am, director sir, and myself too. The whole year has been good for me, and I studied well. I cleared my doubts. My teachers and my teachers taught me very nicely. They cleared all my doubts, and my respected principal madam, she herself came in our class to teach physics, and our director A.K. Singh sir also helped us along our journey. He used to come to the class and interact with our class. So all this that I have achieved, I am very grateful to my school, and thank you so much.
प्रतिनिधी श्रद्धा ठोंबरेसह प्रिया देशमुख, आपले बदलापूर.